Next stop on Madame Glam's list, Paris Macaroons. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications to all so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I upload. In today's video, as you can see in front of me, we are going to do a set of custom press-on nails. I use every color that comes in this collection as displayed here. They are all beautiful, creamy, pastel, Easter, springy colors. They also include a beautiful confetti top coat, no wipe top coat. I do have 30% off down in my description box below if you are ever interested in anything that I share. It is Madame Glam. I'm also going to be showing you guys how to use these perfect French stickers from Enail Couture. I know a lot of you have been wanting me to do a video on this. I was shocked at how well those stickers actually work. We are using my Enail Couture Maximum Square Nails. We are kind of bringing in the floral part of Paris, the beautiful flowers that bloom every spring. Paris, bonjour. See, I don't know how to speak French. Make sure your nails are prepped and ready for any custom press-on nails. If you're gonna wear press-ons, you do want to go ahead and buff that surface shine. You do want to push back those cuticles, get those nails nice and ready. You're gonna want to get a really nice nail glue or nail tabs to apply your press-ons. If you use a good nail glue, they can stay on for weeks. I have had them stay on for weeks at a time. I am going to chemically etch or buff the surface shine. Go right over that with a nail primer. You're gonna feel that nail start to break down, and that's when you'll know that it's etched. When with my Madame Glam base coat, you're gonna go ahead and apply one coat of that to all the nails. Okay, once your base coat is applied, go ahead and give that a 30-second cure in your light. Base coat has been fully cured. You're gonna take the nude color that comes with the set. This one is called Spring in Paris. Your first initial coat, make sure it's nice and thin. Madame Glam gel polishes go on so freaking smooth. I love them. Do you see how beautiful that goes on? Just gorgeous. I love it. Nice, easy. Nice and smooth. And once you have your first coat on, you're going to go ahead and give that a full 60-second cure in your light. You're going to want to take every single color that you see here and put them on a palette. I'm actually going to use the Madame Glam Blooming Gel. This works fantastic. We're going to be using the Madame Glam black liner. I'm also going to be showing you how to use these French guides from Enail Couture. He has them in white and black, so if you're interested, you can use my 10% off discount code. Go get you a couple sheets of these. They work great. All right, so I'm going in with my second layer of that beautiful creamy, like peachy nude. I really like this color. It's a really nice, soft nail bed color. Once the second layer is applied, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Go ahead and pop that in your light for 60 seconds. Okay, the next thing after they have been cured, now I'm going to take that new no wipe top coat, Funfetti, and as you can see, it's lots of fun, like confetti glitters, really gorgeous. We'll see at the end why I am doing it this way, and I'm going to go about right here and just go up with it. So I'm going to do that to all the nails, just from like the center up. All makes sense. It'll all come together. Trust the process. All right, once you have that on, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Now we are going to do these here. As you can see, they've got different sizes, and there's 2 of every size. I've got the 2 rows of the large, which I've used a lot of the large ones, 2 rows of the medium, and then 2 rows of the small. I like to pick it up about the center part, take some tweezers, pick it right up at the center. Do the best you can at centering this right here. Once you have it where you want it, kind of lay it down, and then you're just gonna push that over. Just like that. Now don't worry if it doesn't match up. We're gonna fix all that. This is just gonna give you a guide. That's all it's doing, is giving you a guide. And you're going to push that sticker down because it's gonna stay on the nail. You're gonna lift it up, center it the best that you can, lay it down, and then press it over. Trust the process, it will come together. Again, I'm gonna take a big one this time. Center it. And as you can see, that one actually is almost perfect. You see how easy that is? You get up from the center, find your center on your nail, lay it down. Once you have them all applied to the nail, now we can take our black. I cannot find my Madam Glam black, so I'm going to use my Enail Couture black. You can go right on top of the sticker. Don't worry about it. We're going to fill in the gaps. I'm going to bring it up like so. Okay, so far that's what it's looking like. Sides. You're going to do that to all the nails. I'll do it one more time. Do it with this like short one that doesn't go all the way over to the side. Start on top of the sticker and just pull that down. Take the black and I just go right here and I just pull it all the way to that sticker, to the end of that sticker. Same thing over here, covering the sticker up. You will not see the sticker. And there you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of them. Went ahead and cured the black for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to take my black gel liner, and then where that sticker stops, where I will start and pull, make sure you get the bottom of the nail. I'm going to bring it all the way around. I'll perfect it as I go. Holding your breath. Okay, you're going to do the same thing to this side. Let that liner do the work. Just set it down and then just go pull. And then you're going to come around. If you like the nail beds like this, you can do this. If not, you can leave it the way that it was. I really like the way this looks. And that's what I'm going to do with all of them. Fill in any space. Fill in any of those areas that need to be filled in. We can go over that with a gel polish to kind of flatten that out more. Take that liner, let it do its thing. Just pull it. See how nice and easy that is? Come around. Follow the nail. Other side. Again, fill in anything that needs to be filled in. Again, let that liner just swoop. Ta-da! All right, once you have your nail beds, do a full 60-second cure. All right, let's take that Madam Glam blooming gel. Get your palette of color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover the whole nail with the blooming gel. So you're gonna take a color and you're gonna make a dot. You're gonna take another color. You're gonna go just outside of that color with your dots. like flower petals. It can be on top of the nail bed, not a big deal. Actually would look cute doing it that way. With that same color, I'm gonna go right in the center of the green. You're just gonna continue. Put a color, grab another color, make your dots. With the same color, make a dot in the center. And you're just gonna keep going over all that black. Make your dot, grab a color, go around. I'm gonna go on the side over here. Super easy. Take your little dotting tool, dot, 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 dot. Make it a little bit bigger. Now you can stop there and just let them spread. Let's do a small one here. So you're just gonna let it spread. When you're happy, take your finger, go like this, pull it down, wipe it. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do a flash cure on that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish them up. Okie dokie, I went ahead and did a full cure. You guys are not gonna love me for this. I'm gonna take my Velvet Matte Top Coat by Madam Glam. Now, this is what they would look like shiny. If you wanna leave them shiny, you can. But I always feel like Blooming Gel looks better matte. The artist in me just loves a good matte top coat. Okay, so you're just gonna go ahead and apply your matte to the whole nail, of course. Go ahead and cap that free edge. So after I apply my matte top coat, I will then give it a 60-second cure in my light. I'm going to be using these new little square gems that I got from AliExpress. And these have the silver backing. Oh, Jamie. You can't put it in sideways. Oh my God. Lord help me. Oh shoot. Lord help me, I need it. You're also using this big one right here from also AliExpress. I have my smaller opal rhinestones here. These big ones here. They've kind of got that opal shine as well. I am going to take my DIY gel and use it as rhinestone glue. The matte top coat is completely cured. It's time to go in with our bling. Okay, the big one's going to go right in the center here. I'm just going to put a dollop of that on there. The other ones are going to go at the tip top of each of these. We're going to have one goes in the center and one that goes down by the edge of the nail bed. So that's gonna go right there. Put it there in the center. Place them on just like that. Again, there's another blue one. So I'm just gonna get a little bit bigger one here. And then a green one down here. Now I'm gonna go into these. I'm gonna take a square one and I'm just gonna put that here. Take a heart, put that there. A diamond. Put that there. Teardrop. Once those are all done, go ahead and do a 30-second cure. All right, guys, the last thing to do, of course, is add your cuticle oil, which I have already done. Here we go. Here is my Paris flowers, my macaroon flowers. Yeah, I think they look pretty good. I just used my tabs to apply these. That way, you know, later on down the line, if I want to wear them, I can put on nail glue and wear them out or just whatever. So there we go. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. I think they turned out really nice. I really, really am digging the French nails. If you guys are interested again in any of these Madam Glam gel polishes, definitely go take advantage of my 30% off discount code down in the description box. And don't forget, it does come with this beautiful, beautiful confetti top coat. Funfetti top coat, which I do have on the nail bed. I know it's a little hard to see since I did make these nails matte. And with that said, sending you guys love and light. Please don't forget, give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. Share it with a friend. My videos have not been, people have not been getting notified of my videos. I'm sorry, you guys, I don't know why. So if you guys can share the video, that would be very helpful to me. I would really appreciate it. And have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.